Whoa, we got another package? All right, let's check it out. Oh, good doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we have something from Charlie's Custom Clones. Feel free to check them out, a large variety of items. Charlie's Custom Clones. Let's go ahead and get you out of the way. Thank you. And let's see how we can get this open. Okay, I've gone ahead and sliced the box open. Got some paper padding, item, more paper padding, and a manifest. Ooh, something else too. A sticker, Zero Compromise Optic. So let's set that right there, and box. So, oh no, quite a bit more actually, sorry. Schmidt and Bender. Colt. Wow. Charlie's. Oh my, they sent me a lot this time. Thank you, thank you. And a Charlie's Custom Reticle sticker. Thank you again. Much appreciated. A lot of little cool stickers there. Nice. Okay, so Charlie's Custom Clones. And we just ordered 2 items this time, but they are quite special to me. FN Forged Military Upper Receiver, F marked with hardware. So I'm going to open one of these right now. I'll wait on the second one, but let's see, they are sealed in plastic. And oh my, F marked receiver. And you can see there, looks like Anchor Harvey, if I recognize that forging correctly. And you can see ejection port, brass deflector, forward assist, and it's ready for your choice of bolt carrier group and charging handle. And oh, look at there, look there, M4 marking. So that should mean, let me see if I can get a light on there, our feed ramps. Nice. So 2 of the FN Forged Military Upper Receiver F marked with hardware. So in other words, it's got your forward assist, brass deflector, and ejection port cover all in there. And it's just ready for your choice of bolt carrier group and charging handle. You can see there the engraved T marks. Very nice. And of course that M4 marking. Got 2 of those. Plus a very nice set of stickers this time around from Charlie's Custom Clones. Feel free to check them out. Large variety of items. Charlie's Custom Clones. This has been another unboxing video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos. We do a selection of book review, media reviews. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you next time.